is it?
In Cape Town. It's time for the
Road trip! Yes, morning guys. So we up in Cape Town very early this morning, and thanks to Brett for accommodating us so early in the morning. And yes, we had to unfortunately wake him because we did quite an early drive this morning. Mackie, you ready?
Yes.
All right, thank you, sir. We've loaded up the bike, and we're heading back to Gansbaai.
Yes.
All right.
Hi guys, welcome back. We got good news and bad news. The bad news is the plastic for the TTR is not here yet. I think the guys on holidays.
Yes. Also, yes, Mackie. So unfortunately, we're not putting it on the back haul, but unfortunately, we have to wait a little bit for the kit. Number one, the plastics. Of course, we want to do it properly. That is still outstanding. They promised us that's now about 4 days late.
Yeah.
The guys from, to be honest, it came through Amazon from America, and yeah, there seems to be some delay at customs and
Yeah.
that, yeah. And then, what is your good news?
We got an early PW80 for me.
Okay, for the rebuild.
Yeah.
Okay, yes, I think we're going to do a parts list in this video.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's get started.
Yeah. I just love bikes that I can rebuild. We are gonna walk quickly around and show you the obvious spots. And later we are gonna do the part list.
Yeah. Okay. So Mackie, yes, a quick walk around of the bike. Please show us what you definitely need to replace, and then we can do the specifics later. Am I right? Sorry, I just want to get the camera angle right. So yes, the obvious one, Mackie. Let's start. Yes.
Seat.
Okay.
Seat
Yes.
is torn.
Okay. So are we getting a new one? You want to recover that one?
Yes.
Recover it. Okay. Okay.
And then we are gonna get a new handlebar. And
Why is that one bent? Ne?
yes.
Yes. Okay. So if we get the angle right, I can most probably show. If you straighten that up completely, you can see that there's a bend on the left hand side. And then to try and repair that, it's not really worth it. The new one is about $350, so let's rather do that. Okay.
And
So yes.
new grips, because that one is broke and that one you can see.
Yeah. Okay. So we might as well get that done
Yeah.
as well. Yeah. Okay.
And we're gonna need a new front fender. You can see it's
Got a couple of scuff marks on there. They are still intact, but yes, cosmetically wise, it might be better to replace them.
Yeah.
Okay.
and the back tail piece. And we are gonna need for the
The exhaust cover.
yes.
Yeah, there are.
For
There's
the
like a
thing
little
for the-
protection plate that goes
Yeah.
over that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And then when I took it for a test drive yesterday, it's I don't know, the wheel just went flat on me.
Yeah, it's like
Yeah, so, but that's a minor. We can just get a new tube.
Yes,
Yeah.
yeah.
The tires are still good. They've seen some better days, but to be honest, I think it's of all the bikes that you've bought, that they seem the best.
Yeah.
In second-hand condition. But now they can still do a little bit of riding, so we're not going to worry about the tires just yet. Because in the long term, this is the one that you're going to be driving the most. Am I right? Yes. If you can, maybe Mackie have a seat so can show them that this, even it's still smaller, but then there's a nice lift kit for this one. Am I right? Yeah. So you can see with his legs, he's still learning. So, but I think this is the best route. The PW80 is a bit too small, eh? Yeah. Okay, so in the long term, this is the one that's going to be your daily. And then yes, obviously, hopefully we can upgrade that sooner as well. But then I think for riding conditions, we're going to do this one not quickly. We're going to do it great, but we're also going to make sure that we don't spend unnecessary money on replacing a tire just for cosmetic sake. We're going to do it if it's really necessary. Okay, so yeah, what else, Mackie? This
is the original tank.
Yeah.
And there is some rust, what we are gonna sandblast this time.
Yeah, they are open now, so we can definitely do the sandblasting. It's going to be quicker, and it's going to have a nicer effect on it as well. Out of the angle, I think one can most probably see it better. If you take a closer look, it's all surface rust, but yes, once that's sandblasted, then it's gonna be awesome, right? Yeah. Okay. So yes, anything else, Mackie?
This is also a little bit, you can see here, we also gonna need new ones.
Okay.
Yeah, and we are gonna definitely get new stickers.
Okay, so sticker kit, plastics. This time it's all different, né? With your PW80.
Yeah.
When we bought it, it had an aftermarket tank, original tailpiece and seat. Where this one, I think it's original seat, but it's aftermarket tailpiece and front fender. But this time around, it's got the original tank. Totally opposite from your PW80.
Yeah.
We can see if we can recuperate this. It's not too bad. On the top end here, if you take a closer look at it, it's got like pitting marks. I'm not sure. I think it's more like sunbake on the tank. But hopefully we can recover it. I like using the original parts. The seat we definitely gonna have recovered. It would be awesome. We spoke to the previous owner, a really nice guy, and then he explained to us as well that it can be done. That they maybe paint on or print those Yamaha lettering on the seat cover. And then yes, because mostly you get aftermarket seats, but then they're usually in just either blue or black or whatever the case may be. But that looks awesome to have it original or with that lettering on it. Okay, so is that the obvious ones? We'll go into details later. Maybe we can bring them up to speed as well as we go through that nice website that we're using. And then just click off on all the parts that we need. Yeah. Okay, and then is that it for this time?
Yeah.
Okay.
See you next time, and like and subscribe, please.